Today we are going to be making sloppy joes with a bit of a twist. So we're going to be making Sriracha sloppy joes. So before we dive into today's recipe, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. And to all the returning viewers, thank you for your support and your comments, which mean the world to me. So let's grab our aprons and let's get started. For our Sriracha sloppy joes, we're going to need the following: some ground beef, bell peppers diced, onions diced, jalapenos diced and de-seeded, some ketchup, some brown sugar, some Sriracha sauce, some soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, some salt, garlic powder, and vinegar. So let's get over to the stove and start cooking. Alright, so we've got a skillet that's been heating up over a medium-high heat. To this, we are going to add in our ground beef. I'm going to kind of break it up as we're putting this in here. There we go. So we are going to cook our ground beef until it is no longer pink. And once we're at that point, we're going to start adding in our vegetable. Our ground beef has been cooking for about 10 minutes. As you can see, it's no longer pink. So to this, we're going to add in our diced onion and bell pepper. And we're also going to add in our diced jalapenos. And we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes or so until all the vegetables are soft. Alright, so this has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. And as you can see, our vegetables are nice and soft. So we're going to start adding in our remaining ingredients. We're adding in our garlic powder and our salt. We're adding in our teriyaki sauce and our soy sauce. Our little bit of vinegar. Our Sriracha sauce. And our brown sugar, break that up just a bit, and our ketchup. And what I did before we started adding in our ingredients, I did drain out majority of the drippings from the ground beef, because you want your sloppy joes to be fairly thick. Out of the way. And we're going to give this a good mix. Get everything coated. There we go. Somebody trying to get away. So now we are going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. And once that's done, we're going to start plating up. Alright, so we've got us a nice toasted bun, fresh out the toaster. So we're going to give us a good couple of helpings of this sloppy joe mix. Oh, this is going to be so messy. And there we go. So now it's time for me to have lunch. So I wanted to thank everybody for watching. I also wanted to express my thanks to each and every one of you who have supported my channel. And remember, be nice and be kind, because it could change somebody's day. And as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.